कौन जीत रहा है?
Bharatiya Janata Party. Rather, let me rephrase my answer. That was a very spontaneous answer, actually. The
Hmm.
people of Bengal are winning this time. This is a more plausible answer because people of Bengal, they wanted change. People of Bengal wanted a government which will work on their behalf, not for families, not for their filling up their own coffers. So this time, the people of West Bengal, they are winning.
Okay, BJP spoke about no fear in Bengal. Can you honestly say that voters felt fearless while stepping out to vote?
See, Palji, first of all, if you have seen, of course, I mean, you have closely noticed and monitored 2021 polls. Let me
Mm,
get back to 2016 or maybe before that. So, West Bengal has been a ghetto of, what should I say, violence,
mm,
bloodbath, lynching, death, rape, threats, everything. I mean, you name it, we have it. Which this time, thanks to the election commission, thanks to the stern steps taken by them, this time Bengal has seen a different kind of poll. Bengal, never before we have seen that the CRPF personals, they are approaching ordinary people saying, "आप निश्चिंत हो कि घर से निकलो,
mm.
वोट मतदान करो, जिसको भी देना है." So this is something, Payal ji. This is the first time we have seen. And of course, the numbers, the surge in numbers, it indicates. Now, you could ask me that what happens to the deletion after SIR. So, well, I am not American university graduate. I have done my studies very well in India, in West Bengal. And I could say that even I'm not uneducated or illiterate like certain TMC MPs who kind of, like shake their heads and लट हटा के ऐसे बात करते हुए
ऐसे भी तो
if
करते
you
हैं।
वो भी सही है. So I know the ground reality that the SIR deletion, if I'm not a student of mathematics, but the statistics have shown after the first phase that even after the SIR deletion, the numbers which were roughly around 80, 81%, 82%, it could have risen to 87 max, 86 to 87, but not the 93. The extra 5% surge, it happened due to the people, their spontaneity, due to the fearlessness which they felt that this time they could go and cast their vote, which was unheard of. I mean, it's very sad. It's very saddening to. मैं बंगाल की बुराई नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm a proud Bengali. I'm Banglar में. Despite of this, पायल जी, I have to say that in Bengal चुनाव मतलब डेथ होगा ही, होना ही है.
हाँ,
बम
रेप्स
फोड़ना
एंड
फोड़ना ही है.
डेथ।
चुनाव के दिन 2023 पंचायत वोट्स, सिविक बॉडी वोट्स, एक दिन में 23 लोगों की जाने गई थी. एक दिन में. कैन यू इमेजिन? सारा मतलब देश में होता है. कल गुजरात में, यस्टरडे गुजरात में सिविक बॉडी पोल्स हुआ, हमको पता तक नहीं चला.